Hello all, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show how to make money on Fiverr without having any skill or skills. I know many of you have heard about the Fiverr.com. Fiverr is one of the most trusted freelancing platform where we can sell our services and get paid. So let's talk about the several gigs or several services on Fiverr where we don't need to have any skill before. The first gig is singing a funny song for the happy birthday wish. So on the Fiverr, let's search for the funny happy birthday song and see the result. We can see tons of results here where people are getting orders and also having a good rating on the service. You can check their profile and see they might have some demo video as well. So let's see. You can check the gig and you can also try this one. It has also the high rating and moreover well order on the gig. As we can see 26 order here, 42 order here. So we get the order on this gig as well. So we get the order on this gig. So the Fiverr service offer number 2, which is background removal. As we can see many of the gigs here on the topic background remover. If you have Photoshop skill or any graphic tool skill, you can do that through them, or else you can simply go to this remove.bg and you can simply upload your image and remove the background here. As we can see, there is lots more gigs upon the niche. You can try it out. Similarly, there is another gig or the another Fiverr service which we can deliver without any prior experiences. This one is website testing. On this gig as well, there are many orders coming and we can simply deliver this order, like the client gives us the website and we need to figure out if there is any issue or bug. It's simple. We can test on mobile device or on the laptop or desktop or else on the tablet as well. If we find any issue, we can figure it out and mention to them and you're gonna get paid with it. So it's a simple gig to start. The next gig is mockup sample or mockup design. Let's see its demand. Well, we can see moreover 1k plus order. It is also high on demand. We can create the mockup design through one of the site, which is Place It by Evanto. We can simply drag our logo or the image or even the text and we can create the mockup design or the mockup logo to the client or to the product that they mentioned. It is the most simplest gig. We can try it out. It has so many orders and it is on the trend. It works for the any clothing brand or any product that needs the design. Respectively, there is another gig which is website analyzer, which is also high on trend. So on the Fiverr we can sell such services so easily. As we can see, there is also orders coming. We can simply give the client report. We can see many orders on this gig as well. We can simply go sites like website analyzer report. We can simply put some of the URL of the client and it generates the report. It simply generates the report and we can simply download this report and send to the customer or the client. The next gig is album art. People are looking for the unique design and unique art for their book cover or their album cover. So this gig also on the trend and it's for free. Sites like this artworkdoesn'texist.com where we can get several of the art and we can simply download it and give to the client, or we can simply design on it. So this gig is one of the easiest gig ever. The another gig is blog commenting. As we can see, there is also several of the orders on the daily basis. As we can see on the first page result of Fiverr, it is not so hard. We can do it on a manual basis. We can provide like 20, 50, 100 of the blog commenting service to the client. So we can find the several sites with SFC blog comment. You can simply search on any of the topic the client wants, and you can simply go to their blog, and there must be a section of the comment at the end of the post, and you can simply comment it with their URL. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes or less than a minute. For a single comment you can provide the service on Fiverr. These are the services you can sell without any skill or without having any prior experience on the field. One last thing before ending this video, you can do the same method for the arbitrage method. The arbitrage method is you can get the product or services on the cheap price and you can sell it on the little bit of higher than your cost on the next site. So suppose if you are ordering service or you are putting service from SEO Clerk to Fiverr, you can simply little bit of overcharge on the Fiverr and you can sell it. Like if you are searching video views on the SEO Clerk, it's showing the result. There is not much gig on it. If you can get the service like video views for, it has not mentioned here, we need to get the account on it first. So if we put the same gig, like here we can see the $3 of the gig and we can sell it on the Fiverr for $5 or $10, then we can get the rest $2 or $5 profit. It is the way of arbitrage. You can try it out where you are not on the loss, but you're definitely going to get some profit with it, or even you can scale it up. Yeah, okay, it's all for this video. See you on the next.